Does Medicaid Estate Recovery affect your eligibility? Imagine planning for your future and wondering if what happens after you pass could impact your ability to qualify for Medicaid today. It's a common question, and understanding it can help you make smarter choices now. Medicaid Estate Recovery is a process that kicks in only after a Medicaid recipient passes away. It does not affect your ability to get Medicaid benefits while you are alive. When you apply for Medicaid, your income and assets are checked to see if you qualify. This eligibility is based on current financial limits, not what might happen after death. Medicaid Estate Recovery is a federal program that requires states to seek reimbursement for benefits paid for long-term care. This includes nursing home stays, home care, hospital services, and prescriptions. The recovery is made from the estate of the person who received Medicaid benefits. An estate includes assets like a home, bank accounts, vehicles, and personal property owned at the time of death. If you are under 55 or not permanently in a nursing home, you are usually not subject to estate recovery. The process mainly targets older adults or those who have been in long-term care facilities for a while. Also, certain assets are protected. For example, if the home is owned jointly with a spouse, or if a child under 21, a disabled child, or a sibling with lived in equity for at least a year before institutionalization resides there, the estate recovery can be avoided. States also offer hardship waivers if recovery would cause undue hardship for heirs. For example, if the estate is too small to cover the recovery amount, the state might waive it. Spouses are protected too. The community spouse, who is not in Medicaid, can keep enough assets and income to stay out of poverty, which also helps protect the family home and other assets. From a planning perspective, there are ways to protect assets before applying for Medicaid. Legal tools like trusts or transferring property can help reduce the estate that might be subject to recovery. But it's important to do this well before applying for benefits, as there are rules about when and how assets can be transferred. Recovery actions usually happen within 1 year after the person's death. They do not impact Medicaid eligibility during the person's lifetime. So, while estate recovery can affect what your heirs inherit, it does not interfere with your ability to qualify for Medicaid now. In summary, Medicaid estate recovery only occurs after death and does not influence your current Medicaid eligibility. Proper planning can help protect your assets and ensure you get the care you need without worrying about what might be recovered later.